A productive life is a focused life, because you can't achieve what you don't know. You can't achieve what you are not focused on. If your captivity is going to end, if your bondage is going to end, if people are going to stop looking down on you, you must become productive. And remember, as I said from the beginning, there's something God has given to every man. Your responsibility is to develop it and become good at it so that somebody can pay for it. I think it was Solarin who said, he said what you need to, he said, even if it's a mouse trap, the trap for catching rat, that you can do and do it well, better than your neighbor. He said, even if you stayed in the woods, he said, man will make a path to come and meet you. But the issue is, you must be good at what you do. Whatever you are good at is good enough to announce you. Every calling, every career, every business is good enough to dignify you if you do it with dignity, diligence, and honor.